the day. Welcome to yet another session of Vedic Maths. Today's topic is complementary numbers. Now, what are complementary numbers? Numbers in which you have the tens as the same. So, if you look at this number, you have the tens to be same, which is both 3. Secondly, the units add to 10. So, whenever you add up your units digit, you get the answer as 10. So, the complementary digits would be 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 and 5, and vice versa. The sutra that is applied here is known as Ekadika Purvena. What does that mean? It means by one more. So now I'll teach you how to apply the sutra and solve these sums within fraction of second, and sometimes, yes, I would not say sometimes, but yes, you can solve these answers orally. So let's start the step. Now the step number 1 is you will look at your tens digit. So look at the tens digit is 3. Ekadikena means by one more. So what is 1 more than 3? That is 3 plus 1. That is 4. So that is 12. I'll repeat. The Ekadikena of 3. Add 1 to it. That is 4. So 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Second step, multiply your units. So that is 2 into 8. That is 16. Now combine both the steps and write the answer. So first was 12 and second is 16. So this is your answer. Let's try this for the next sum. 53 into 57. So your tens digit is 5. Multiplied by the next number, that is 5 plus 1, 6. So that is 30. And multiply your units. That is 7 into 3. That is 21. Right, now let's do this orally. 7. What's the next number? 7 plus 1, that goes to 8. 7 8s are 56. 6 4s are 24. Isn't it very simple? Yeah, let's do for this. 2. The next number is 3. 2 3s are 6. 5 5s are 25. Now there's one important thing which comes over for the number 91 into 99. So 9 into 10 is 90. And whenever you multiply 9 into 1, remember you always need a 2 digit. So write it as 09. So 909. And that's your answer. Thank you.